Hello friends, I am Manoj Keja. So in the main examination, every single marks counts, otherwise also in the whole this examination. But what happens when it comes to the essay writing or ethics or optional? Generally a tendency among the students that they used to give a little bit more weightage to it. But I always say that every single marks is equally important for this examination. Essay is important in the sense it is 250 marks, and here a little bit of consistency can pay for you, Why I say so? A little bit of consistency, because generally you will find that most of the students keep this area pending after the and they want to do it something for this area after the preliminary examination. See, that's okay, but mind it one thing, that essay writing demands a continuous improvement and it takes little bit time. In the sense, just in 1 month you cannot do anything. By writing 2-3 tests you cannot do anything. So always a good strategy is where you can easily stretch this writing practice to a little bit longer period, and then the rest of the time you do whatever your self-study is. So in the essay writing, you have to understand that there are 2 areas where you need to work, and these 2 areas are: number 1, the concepts, or otherwise you can call it content and crafting. 1, 2, content and crafting. See, content, when we talk about the content is basically about understanding the meaning, dimension, context, etc. And crafting is all about ordering, signposting, paragraphing, integration, flow, etc. Generally, students are more comfortable in open-ended or you can say in current affairs based topics, and little bit of hesitant to write in open-ended question, that is philosophical. See, this is a general notion, but it is not true when you will scan the way students used to get marks in the UPSC, that when the topics are very straightforward, even then students are not getting 150, 150 plus, 1 plus. So forget about whatever the topic is, whether it is open-ended, closed-ended, current affairs based or philosophical, doesn't matter. The question is basically it is art of writing. You must have art of making a compelling narrative, irrespective of whatever the topic is, either it is open-ended or anything else, doesn't matter. But in philosophical essay, students used to face little bit more trouble, and the reason is the topics are very abstract in nature, and they are not very sure about setting a scope of the topic, to how far they have to write, what is the right context in which you have to examine the things. So the way I am doing this essay writing is basically based on, you can say, number 1, that first of all you should learn how to set the dimension before directly jumping into writing, the dimension and the context. Because if this task is done, then the 50% task is done. The day you know that how to set the right dimension and the right context, then 50% task is done. This cannot be achieved merely by writing daily or weekly or whatever the way you are writing. No, not at all. You will have to follow a different strategy for this stage. Then you will gradually move into the writing phase. And so first, it is always advisable from my side that always take care for the content part, but dimension and context is rightly set. And then comes the crafting. And crafting is basically the way you craft the whole idea and your thought process, how you capture your thought process and express yourself. When it comes to you can say crafting, it demands a lot of practice. It demands content. demands a lot of thinking, brainstorming, rough work, etc. Your ability to connect the things. Whatever you have so far read in your general studies. And crafting usually demands a lot of practice, so that you achieve the level of perfection where you are able to make the compelling narrative. So what we are going to do in the sense, we are going to make arrangement for both the things. First, try to visualize the dimension, capture the right context, do it again through the reflective exercise or a small exercise. Then go for the tests or thematical test, whether it is philosophical or different subjects, topic, etc., whether it is education, women, etc. And gradually, with the writing, you are able to, you can say, do little bit work on the crafting part also. So as a whole, if it is stretched over a period, then without disturbing your other areas, you are able to do good for these 250 marks, which matters a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you.